Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve questions on sum of zeros of the quadratic polynomial. First of all, the quadratic polynomial is written as ax square plus bx plus c. In quadratic, the power of x is, the degree of x is 2. A is the coefficient of x square, b is the coefficient of x and c is the constant term. If alpha and beta are the zeros, then the sum of zeros is written by the formula minus b by a, where b is the coefficient of x and a is the coefficient of x square. Product of zeros is alpha beta c by a. C is constant term and a is the coefficient of x square. The first question is find the sum of zeros of the polynomial this. First of all, compare it with ax square plus bx plus c. We get the value of a is 5, the value of b is minus 7 and the value of constant is 2. We need to find sum of zeros. Sum of zeros is given by the formula minus b by a. The value of b is minus 7 and the value of a is 5. And your answer 7 by 5. Now the second question is, if alpha and beta are the zeros of this polynomial and the condition given is alpha plus beta is equal to alpha beta, find the value of b. First of all, compare it with ax square plus bx plus c. The value of a is p, the value of b is minus 2 and the constant is 3p. And the condition given is sum alpha plus beta is equal to product. Apply the formula alpha plus beta is b by a and product is c by a. Cancel out a and a. Now substitute the value of b, that is minus 2, the value of c, that is 3p. Minus and minus converted to plus, p 2 by 3. So the answer is 2 by 3. Now third question is, if sum of zeros of this polynomial is 0, find the value of k. First of all, compare. Coefficient of x square is a, coefficient of x is minus 3 plus k and the constant term is 7. We are given the condition sum of zeros is 0. Sum of zeros for is apply is equal to is 0, that is 0. Apply the formula b by a is equal to 0. A into 0 is 0. Now substitute the value of b. Minus and minus plus, so the value of k is minus 3. Answer. Now fourth question is, if one zero of the polynomial this is negative of the other, find the value of k. First of all, write the polynomial. Take x common from them. It will be minus 8k and plus 8. Then compare. We'll get the value of a 4. The value of b is minus 8k plus 8 and the constant term is minus 9. Now if one zero is negative of the other, if one zero be alpha, then another 0 is negative of the other. Beta value is minus alpha. Now apply sum is equal to minus b by a. Sum is equal to alpha plus beta. Substitute the value of beta, that is minus alpha. the value of b, that will be minus 8k plus 8, and the value of a is 4. Alpha minus alpha is 0, minus 8k minus 8 by 4. 4 into 0, 0, minus 8k is equal to minus 8, k is equal to minus 8 by minus 8, the value of k is 1. Now fifth question is, if one zero of the quadratic polynomial is negative of the other, find the value of k. First of all, compare. The value of a is 4, value of b will be minus 8k, and constant term is minus 9. If one zero be alpha, then another zero is negative of the other, minus alpha. Now apply sum of zeros, minus b by a. Sum of zeros, alpha plus beta. The value of b is minus 8k and the value of a is 4. Beta value, substitute minus alpha, minus and minus plus 8k by 4. 0 is equal to 2k. So the value of k is 0 by 2, that is 0. Answer. Now sixth question is, if sum of zeros is minus 1, find the value of k. First of all, compare it. The value of a is k, the value of b is 4, and the value of c is minus 35. Given that sum of zeros for is applies equal to minus 1. The formula of sum of zeros is b by a. The value of b is 4, the value of a is k. Cancel minus and minus, cross multiply, and your answer is the value of k is 4. Seventh question is, if alpha and beta are the zeros of this polynomial, write the value of alpha plus beta beta. Compare. The value of a is 2, the value of b is 7, and the constant c is 5. Alpha plus beta plus alpha beta. Alpha plus beta is minus b by a. Alpha into beta is c by a. Now substitute values, minus 7 by 2, 5 by 2. Take LCM, minus 7 plus 5, minus 2 by 2. Answer is minus 1. If 2 and 3 are zeros of this polynomial, find the value of k and m. If 2 and 3 are zeros, so alpha is 2 and the value of beta is 3. Compare it. Then the value of a is 3, the value of b is minus 2k, and the value of c is 2m. Apply. Alpha plus beta is minus b by a, and alpha into beta is c by a. Substitute the values of alpha and beta and the value of b and a. 5 is equal to 2k by 3. Minus and minus plus, 3 into 5, 15 is equal to 2k. So the value of k is 15 by 2. Now alpha into beta, alpha value 2 and the value of beta is 3. The value of c is 2m and the value of a is 3. Cancel 2 and 2, 3 into 3, 9. The value of m is 9. Now next question is, if alpha and beta are the zeros of this polynomial, find the value of k if alpha plus beta is half alpha beta. First of all, compare. The value of a is the coefficient of x square, that is 1. The value of b is coefficient of x, and the constant term c is 2k minus 1. Condition given is alpha plus beta is equal to half alpha beta. Apply the formula, minus b by a and c by. Cancel a and a, Now substitute the value of b in the value of c. 2 and 2 cancel, minus and minus converted to plus. Bring 6 plus 1, 2k minus k. 6 plus 1 is 7 and 2k minus k is k. So the value of k is 7. If sum of zeros of this is 3, find the value of k. First of all, compare a value 3, the value of b is minus k and the value of c is 6. Sum is 3, that is alpha plus beta. 3 minus b by a is 3. Now substitute the value. Minus and minus plus, 3 into 3 is 9. Now the question is, if the sum of zeros of this polynomial is 1, find the value of k. Compare the value of a is k square minus 14, the value of b minus 2 and constant is minus 12. Sum is 1. The formula of sum is minus b by a. Now substitute values. The value of b is minus 2. The value of a is k square minus 14. Minus and minus plus, cross multiply. Minus 14 plus 2, 16, k square. Now take under root. The value of k is plus minus 4. Plus and minus 4. Answer. Now try this question and answer them in the comment section given below. If you like this video, then give a thumbs up, subscribe my channel and share videos with your friends. Bye bye.